Let's stay with that report. We are speaking to Leslie Lefkoff. She is the Deputy Director, Human Rights Watch Africa Division. And we're speaking to her via Skype. She is in Amsterdam. Leslie, thank you for speaking to us tonight. Similar allegations have been made. What is different this time? What evidence are you relying on?
Well, we've done extensive interviews with witnesses of the killings, with family members, and in every case, what the police allege happened and what the witnesses say happened are two very different things. I mean, these cases of killings and disappearances are of young people who were warned by the ATPU itself in some cases that they could be killed. So they were aware that there were threats made against them before their deaths. And the circumstances of their deaths in every case are very, very alarming in terms of the abuses being committed by this unit.
Your organization has the clout to sort of reach these governments that you're talking about. Have you shared your concerns with the United States and Britain?
We have shared the concerns with the United States. We've also tried to share the concerns with the Kenyan government. I mean, obviously, this pattern of abuse by the ATPU is one piece of a broader picture of police abuses that we're very concerned about. You know, when you see these kinds of abuses against Kenyan citizens, it doesn't improve security. It's not bringing justice to the victims of terrorism. It's only, you know, making the rule of law in Kenya even more fragile.
Leslie, you say some of these atrocities are happening under the watch of the United Nations and, of course, the embassies. What do you expect from them?
Well, first and foremost, we would hope that the Kenyan government itself would take these concerns seriously and start doing the kind of investigations that are needed. We've been calling for investigations for years now, as have many Kenyan human rights organizations. Secondly, the U.S. and other donors who provide support to the ATPU should review that support. They should suspend it.
Leslie, your report is out, and of course, this is a report that could potentially see funding cut. What else can the Human Rights Watch do?
Well, we'll continue to monitor the situation and watch what the Kenyan government does. I think that if we were to see really credible investigations into these allegations, this would be the best possible outcome all around. Unfortunately, so far, we've yet to see that kind of action by the Kenyan government.
Leslie Lefkoff, thank you so much for speaking to KTN Prime.